Good morning. We're going to be working on a 2016 Jeep Cherokee. I have my KM100 here and my VCI. Let's go. We have our VCI here. You're going to plug it in the OBD. Wait for it to turn green. Get your KM100. And then we're going to just wait for it to come on. Okay. What is the password to it? And then we press accept here. Okay. Put in the key. Turn the key. Go to IMMO. Yeah, Jeep. If you have a learning key, turn on the, okay. And then we press the red button here. Okay. You press fallback, and then you press yes, and then press OK. Turn the inner off and turn the hazards on. Okay, and then turn this ignition off. And then whatever your password is, press OK. You're gonna touch the hot ignition. You press it. And then press all keys lost. And then you're gonna press start. The future will remove all keys. Okay. Now just wait for it. Wait for it. A checked pin code has been saved. Do you want to? No. Key. Correct number of keys is. Are you sure to erase all keys? Okay. Press OK. And then you're gonna press OK. Please place an unprogrammed full beak key into the ignition in the lock position. Current number of keys is 0. Do you want to into the learn the key? Current number of keys is 1. Learning successful. Do you want to learn next key? So you just have to press it on the brake. Make it all the way like this. And then it's on. That's all, folks. Even a 6-year-old can do it.